You know what's super satisfying? Giving your watch a whole new personality in like a minute. No joke, all you need is this little guy. This is a spring bar tool, your best friend for watch customization. See these little metal rods holding your strap in? Those are spring bars, and we're gonna pop them out. Just find the little notch in the lug, get the fork in there, and press down. Do the same on the other side, and boom. Straps off. Easy, right? Now for the fun part, the upgrade. This is the Mario leather strap from Hemsut. It's handmade from Italian Lavato Lux vegetable tanned leather. Feel that? It's super soft already, and the coolest part is this leather will develop a unique patina. It ages beautifully with you. Putting it on is even easier. Line it up, press down, and that's it. You're locked in. Feels so secure. They come in classic colors and various widths, fitting most retro or pilot watches like Seiko, Timex, and Orient. Seriously, try one. It's the easiest way to make your watch feel fresh and truly yours. What strap combo are you thinking of? Let me know down below.